If you're looking for the best ATV winch for the money, you need to consider a few things. The first is the weight capacity. You'll want to make sure the winch can handle your ATV and any gear you plan on carrying. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering 5 best ATV winch for the money 2025 in the market, which are the best for you. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular user use. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe. So let's get started. Number 1. Champion Power Equipment ATV Winch. When I used the Champion Power ATV Winch, I realized winches are one of the most versatile tools that you can have in your arsenal. Whether you're looking to move heavy machinery or get your car out of a ditch, a winch can come in handy. With a 3,500-pound pulling capacity and long steel cable, it can handle just about any recovery situation. The wireless remote control makes it easy to operate, and the included fair lead keeps the cable from getting tangled. The ATV winch is also designed for quick and easy installation, so you'll be ready to go in no time. Whether you're an experienced off-roader or a weekend warrior, the Champion Power Equipment ATV winch is a great choice for anyone who wants to be prepared for anything. This winch is designed to be mounted on the handlebars of a ATV, making it easy to access and operate. Number 2. Smitterbilt Gen 2 X-Screw Winch. My friend has a Jeep, and he is an off-road adventurous rider. His Jeep is loaded with Smitterbilt Gen 2 X-Screw Winch. He didn't stop during his journey, because this best ATV winch for the money never made him stuck in the mud, water, or another situation. This winch always pulled out his vehicle because of its 9,517,500 libs load capacity. With an IP 68 rating, the winch is also dust and corrosion resistant, making it ideal for use in harsh environments. The 4-way roller fair lead provides smooth operation, while the synthetic rope ensures maximum durability. The rope of this winch is 94 feet, which can work under any weather condition because of its resistant metal body. It has an automatic drum in the brakes. These winches have an automatic drum that helps to prevent the brakes from overheating. Number 3. Super Winch 113-5220 Terra Single Line Pull Winch. For all the people who are looking for a winch that can perform heavy-duty pulling, then no other option is best for you apart from this Super Winch 113-5220 Terra Single Line Pull Winch. The 3-stage planetary gear system provides smooth and reliable operation. The compact design makes it easy to transport and store, and the included remote control makes it simple to operate. Whether you need to winch your vehicle out of a ditch or pull a tree stump out of the ground, the winch is up to the task. It has some serious copper winding power that will get your engine cranking again in no time. It also sports an efficient cooling system and lightweight construction for quick repairs on the road. Number 4. Brevex Electric Single Line ATV Winch. With my old ATV, I had attached the Brevex Electric Single Line Winch. That was exceptional, as it was the best ATV winch for the money. This powerful winch features a robust motor that can easily handle heavy loads. The included remote control makes it easy to operate, and the automatic brake system ensures that your load stays securely in place. With a maximum pulling speed of 13.2 feet per minute, the Brevex Electric Single Line Winch is perfect for all your hauling needs. It can handle 3,500 libs load easily, making it ideal for ATVs and UTVs. It has a wireless remote which can work up to 70 feet, as well as it has a cord. This winch is easy to carry and handle, which has a waterproof body. It has the ability to resist sediment buildup. Number 5. Extreme Max Bear Claw ATV Deluxe Winch. The Extreme Max Bear Claw ATV Deluxe Winch is a powerful tool that can help you get your vehicle out of tough situations. With a 3,100-pound capacity and 50 feet of durable synthetic rope, this winch can handle just about anything you throw at it. And thanks to its easy-to-use design, you'll be able to get your vehicle out of even the most challenging situations. The included wireless remote control makes it easy to operate the winch from a safe distance, and the bright LED work light ensures that you'll be able to see what you're doing even in low light conditions. Whether you're stuck in the mud or snow, The Extreme Max Bear Claw ATV Deluxe Winch will help you. My brother has used it with his ATV and is fully satisfied with it. This powerful and durable model can pull up to 3,100 pounds.